Okay, good morning everyone. I am Jonas Bacchus, and the topic that I'm going to discuss is all about symmetry. Are you ready to listen? Okay, symmetry. What's come to your mind if we say symmetry? Okay, symmetry is proportion and balance. Like for example, we put an object like heart. If you cut the heart, is balance siya, di ba? Pareha siya kadakon. In mathematics, this is usually using an object to rotate or scaling. Bisang saon nimo rotate, ang object is balance iyahang result. Okay, symmetry is a common phenomenon in the world around us. It is difficult to overestimate the importance of symmetry in many aspects of science, not only in chemistry. Bisag asa tamo tan-aw, makita nato ang symmetry, right? Pareha anang na diri sa picture, kaning butterfly. So kung imo nang tungaon ang kanang butterfly, there is no changes when it comes shape. Bisaon-saon na nimo og kanang baligtad-baligtad is pareha walay mahitabo nga there is no changes, no, nga mahitabo. Mo na ang symmetry. Like kani original, and left symmetry, and right symmetry. Symmetry operation. A rearrangement of a body after which it appears unchanged. A symmetry operation moves molecule about an axis, a point, or a plane to a position indistinguishable. So, symmetry operation. It means unchangeable. Like there is a picture kaning nga molecule which is tungaon ni siya or a mirror image, there is no changes happen. Mo na ang symmetry operation. The symmetry elements considered in group theory in relation to molecules are axis of rotation, mirror planes, center of symmetry rather, improper rotation, and identity. One needs to be able to identify the symmetry present in molecules as discussed below. Proper axis of rotation. A rotation about this axis by an angle q equal 360 over n leaves the molecule in an indistinguishable configuration. Such axis is called in full proper axis of rotation. Example, water, C2 axis. Plane of symmetry. So, sa picture, no, proper axis of rotation rather. Kaning na example diri is kung imuhan ning ituyok-tuyok, walay changes nga mahitabo, no, walay kuan sa unsaon nimo siya baliktad. Plane of symmetry. A molecule possesses a plane of symmetry if reflection through the plane leaves molecule unchanged. Sigma h if plane of symmetry is perpendicular to principal axis. Sigma v if plane of symmetry is parallel to principal axis. D if vertical plane bisect the angle between two C2 axes. Example, in water, there is 2 sigma V and no sigma H. Read is molecular plane. Kanang read nga na ato makita diri muna siya ang molecular plane. So no makita sa picture, no, the read is a molecular plane which is dili siya mag-change pag irritate ang molecule. No siya ang plane of symmetry. This is an imaginary plane that bisects a molecule into halves that are mirror images of each other. Kahinamdog pa mo itong achiral and chiral. So, ang achiral is, may example na to na sa plane of symmetry, wherein which is pag mirror image na to, there is no changes na mahitabo. Muna siya ang plane of symmetry. Improper axis of rotation. The word improper. A molecule is said to possess an improper axis of rotation of order n if rotation about the axis by 360 over n followed by reflection in a plane perpendicular to axis leaves molecule I indistinguishable position. If molecule has plane symmetry sigma h perpendicular to process a proper axis of rotation. C2, C4, and C6, the axis naturally become is2, is4, is6 respectively, and is2 axis is equivalent to I. Example, staggered ethene. Improper. So improper rotation. It's followed by reflection in a mirror plane perpendicular to the proper rotation axis. Inversion. If a point exists in center of molecule such that identical atoms are found on either side at equal distance from it, the central point is called center of inversion. In H2O and BF3, Um, in in H2O and BF3 molecule there is no I, and C2H4 molecule there is one. Like for example, ethene. Co-inversion is a rearrangement of atoms in a disymmetric molecule. Molecular configuration that is a mirror image has to be a center molecule that has same distance and opposite side. Parehas sila ka ng distance ba? Para sila sa kung tungaon na parehas sila og distance or on opposite side. Mao na ang inversion. Identity. If sequence of operation brings molecule back to its original configuration, the net operation is called identity. Operation E, example 2, 2C2 rotation in H2O, molecule equivalent to E. Okay, identity. Like kani. Pag imo nang i-rotate, ang 2 mao to sa I, but same lang gihapon iyang kadak-on no. Bisag saan na mag-rotate, same lang gihapon iyang sa pa ni ihang shape no. Pag imo nang tungaon tas i-rotate mao na ang identity. Ang group theory will be discussed by Ivy Jane D. Guzman. And that's all. And thank you for listening. God bless.